arrive in style with this Dodge 2019 Journey say. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle's top features include monotone paint application, premium group included, leather-wrapped shift knob security alarm power 6-way driver seat interior observation mirror leather-wrapped steering wheel power 4-way driver lumbar adjust, engine, 2.4 Li 4DOHC16V dual VVT, STD, quick order package 22A included, engine 2.4 Li 4DOHC16V dual VVT transmission, 4-speed automatic VLP, pitch black clear coat, wheels, 17 inches x 6.5 steel, STD, normal duty suspension, STD, transmission, 4-speed automatic VLP, STD, and pitch black clear coat. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule